How to turn off or on scheduled call banner notifications on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off or on scheduled call banner notifications on Skype mobile. First you're gonna do is go to Skype and then click on your profile here and click this one, settings, and then all you need to do is just click notifications and click go down, and you will find this one here, scheduled call banner notifications. And if you want to turn it off, just one click, and if you want to turn it on again, just click on it. And that's how many scheduled call banner notifications on Skype mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.